everybody, I'm Rayana. Today we will start with doodling. So what is doodling? Doodling is nothing but scribbling. It's like mindless drawing. Mindless drawing is when you're drawing without thinking. It's a type of meditative art. Doodling leads to a lot of creativity using simple shapes and lines. You don't need to run behind any materials when you're doodling. You can take a paper, newspaper, magazine, book, paper, pencil, like any material which you have, anything does for doodling. So in today's video, we will take objects around us which are in our house and break them into shapes. So while we are breaking them into shapes, we will draw them up on the paper and that is our doodle. So the first object which we will draw is a television or TV. So for the TV, we will make a rectangle with curved corners, the inner frame. Then a company name. For this, like the glass, the screen, I'll put 3 lines of different sizes and then a wire from the middle connecting to the plug point and a switch. Now we will draw a photo frame. So for a photo frame, make a rectangle like this. Then in a rectangle of smaller size. Then connect the corners using a slanting line. This is the frame. Now for the photo, I'm drawing a scenery. You can draw anything like 2 people, land, river, mountains, sun, cloud. So this is our photo frame. Next we will make a pen. So for the pen, make a rectangle with curved top. Then the clip kind of thing which is used to hold on to the paper, and then another rectangle. So this is a pen. Next let's make a cup. For the cup, I'll make a long horizontal oval, a U, a big U. So the down layer should be flat so that it can stand, and then the handle. So this is the cup. Next we will make a bucket. I'll make a long horizontal oval, slanting line, another slanting line, then a little bit curved at the down side and a curve for the handle, the thing which is used to lift the bucket. So this is a bucket. Next we will make a glass. For the glass again, I'll make a long horizontal oval, slanting line, curve. Then if you want to make any juice or water inside, so another oval, then lines. So this is our glass. Let's move on to a slipper. So like for the slipper, make an oval shape, long slanting oval shape, or if you want to give it a little more like, if you want to make it look a little more realistic, then we can make curve like this for the slipper, then a line, curved line connecting, like a slanting line. So this is the strap. Next, let's make a remote, like a TV remote. Again, a long rectangle, a circle in the middle, triangle. Like these are the move buttons. Then the power buttons, the options, numbers. You can even make square buttons. Each remote has a different shape of a button. For the next one, we will make a spoon. So for the spoon, oval, then for the handle you can make a triangle, or you can also make like this curved handle which comes. So it's like a teardrop shape or a raindrop shape. Then next, we can make a chair. For the chair, long vertical rectangle, long horizontal rectangle, then the cushion thingy on which you sit, and the legs of the chair. So the front one will be a little longer, like as compared to the ones which are behind. So these will be a little smaller in size. This is the chair. Now, a computer. The computer, we can make it a little bit like the TV. So, a rectangle with curved corners. The inner frame, like this area, the smaller rectangle which we'll make. This is a screen. Then we will make a rectangle, the stand. Then a wire connecting from here, the mouse. So this is the mouse. And we can also make a keyboard. So a sleeping line, slanting line, and then a sleeping line. Then for the keys, we can just make small squares. Like this. So this is a computer. Next, let's make a bottle. For the bottle, we will make a small oval, standing line, curve the cap of the bottle. Then we can give the bottle a rectangular shape and a label, like the Bisleri bottles or the Kindle bottles have. So like you can make it of different shapes also. So like this is the cap. You can make the Bisleri shape, the curved thingy, like this. Okay, this looks a little bit like a thermos. You can make any kind of bottle which you want. Now a ball. a circle, simple circle, novel, the design like this. This is the ball. Next we can make a bowl. For the bowl, again an horizontal long oval and a U shape. If you want to indicate it like any hot soup inside, you can just make some steam coming out. Yeah, so this is it. You can make a lot of other objects like a tiffin box, anything like a pot, like if you make a pot, an oval, and this curved line. This is the pot. Then we can make a mobile or phone, whatever. So a long rectangle, vertical rectangle with curved corners, the inner frame. Then the button, 3 slanting lines of different sizes for the glass screen area. We can do that on the computer also. So this is it. These are all the objects which I have. You guys can make anything, the pencil, anything around you. So like for the pencil, you can make a rectangle tilted. Then if you want to make the rubber, slanting lines connecting, then the lid. You can make design inside the pencil, it's standing lines. The pencil. So these are all the things which I'll be making. As I told you, you can choose anything which you want, a clock, a watch, a fan, light. We can make anything. So I hope you enjoyed this activity. I really enjoyed this activity. I hope you all will like this activity. I hope you like this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe button below and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Please put your feedback in the comment section so I know what you think about this video. Bye. Have a good day. See you again. Thank you for watching my video.